Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at cystic acne. When you're a teenager, it's not unusual to have a pimple or two. But if you have large, red, and painful breakouts deep in your skin, it could mean you've developed something called cystic acne. These breakouts can be treated. Don't try to wait them out. Cystic acne can linger for years. It can affect large areas of your skin and leave permanent scars. A dermatologist can help you with a treatment plan. You get a pimple when a pore in your skin gets clogged, usually with dead skin cells. Sometimes bacteria get trapped inside the pore too, causing the area to become red and swollen. Cystic acne happens when this infection goes deep into the skin, creating a red, tender bump that's full of pus. It may hurt or itch. If a cyst bursts, the infection can spread, causing more breakouts. So what causes it? No one is sure of the exact cause, but hormones called androgens do play a part. When you're a teenager, androgens increase. This leads to changes in your skin that can result in clogged pores and acne. In women, hormone changes can be brought on by menstrual cycles, pregnancy, menopause, or a condition called polycystic ovary syndrome. If one of your parents had severe cystic acne, you have a greater chance of getting it as well. Various medications like antibiotics can help treat it. Doctors advise that you don't touch the cysts or pick at the blemishes. You may push the infection deeper and make it spread. If you do touch it, we recommend pimple popper tools. They are the best way to fight acne and pimples. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy.
Anything I've tried before that was all natural, it was all a joke. Rest More, it really worked. I sleep 8 hours now. I wake up every morning. I'm refreshed. I'm ready to go. I have great days. Like, Rest More is the greatest thing in the world.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh, rested in the mornings. I highly recommend this for anyone who has trouble sleeping, especially if you're a senior citizen like I am.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.